Hi students, I am Ramakrishnan. In this video, I am going to explain group velocity. Right? What is group velocity? It is possible to form a concentrated wave packet by taking a sum of a large number of plane waves with slightly different wavelength and frequencies. Such a group travels in a dispersive medium. The phase velocities of its different components are different. The observed velocity is, however, the velocity with which the maximum amplitude of the group advances in the medium. Right? This is called the group velocity. The group velocity is the velocity with which the energy in the group is transmitted. The individual wave travel inside the group with their phase velocities. The velocity with the center of wave group, that is maximum amplitude moves, is called the group velocity of the wave group. Right? Next, expression for group velocity. Expression for group velocity. Consider two waves that have the same amplitude but differ by an amount del omega. Del omega. Right? In angular frequency and an amount of del k and an amount of del k. Amount of del k in wave number. They can be represented by the equation y1 is equal to a cos omega t minus kx, such as yt is equal to a cos omega plus del omega into t minus k plus del k into x. Right? The superposition of the two waves will yield a single wave packet or wave group. Let us find the velocity Vg. Let us find the velocity Vg. Right? The wave group travels. Vg with the group travels. Wave group is travel. The resultant displacement y at any time t and any position x is the sum of y1 and y2. So y equal to y1 plus y2. Right? So y1, this is y1, this is y2. We have y1 and y2. So y1 plus y2 is equal to y. So that is equal to a cos omega t minus kx plus a cos omega plus del omega into t minus k plus del k into x, hold the bracket, right? Now rearranging this equation, we have 2a cos 1 by 2 into 2 omega plus del omega into t minus 2k plus del k into x into cos 1 by 2 del omega t minus del kx, right? Where del omega and del k are small compared with double omega and k respectively. Therefore, students, see this figure. This is a group velocity. This one is y1. This is y1. This is x direction. This is direction. This is y1. This another one is y2. This is group velocity, both y1 and y2. y1 plus y2. This is y1 and y2, right? y1 is equal to, sorry, y is equal to y1 plus y2, right? This is group velocity. This is group velocity. Understand? Right? Now 2 omega plus del omega approximately equal to 2 omega, right? 2k plus del k is approximately equal to 2k, right? So y is equal to 2a cos del omega divided by 2 into t minus del k divided by 2 into x cos omega t minus kx, right? This is the analytic expression for the resultant wave packet due to the superposition of the two waves. The second cosine function is the original wave. The coefficient of this cosine can be considered to be an amplitude that varies with x and t. This variation of amplitude, students, some technical issues. Now continue this video. This variation of amplitude is called the modulation of the wave. Hence, equation 1 represents a wave of angular frequency omega and wave number k that has superimposed upon it a modulation of angular frequency. Modulation of angular frequency is of del omega, that is angular frequency, modulation of angular frequency. The velocity Vg of the wave group is the velocity Vg of the wave group is del omega divided by del k, right? This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2, right? When omega and k have continuous spreads, the group velocity is given by, this group velocity is given by, this group velocity is given by d omega divided by dk. This is equation number 3, right? When omega and k have continuous spreads, k has continuous spreads, the group velocity is given by Vg is equal to d omega divided by dk, right? This is the expression for the group velocity. This is the expression for group velocity. This is the expression for the group velocity. Thank you for watching. Thank you, students. Thank you so much.